The Nissan Murano II from 2008 to 2015 offers Bluetooth audio streaming through its audio-video navigation system, or basic hands-free setup. This system allows wireless connection between your phone and the car's audio controls. To enable Bluetooth, press the phone or settings button on the center console screen to access the Bluetooth menu. To disable, disconnect your phone from the Bluetooth menu or switch to a different audio input like CD or radio. To pair your phone, first put your phone in pairing mode by going to Bluetooth settings. In the Murano's Bluetooth menu, press the phone button on the center console and select Pair Device or a similar option. Your car's Bluetooth name, usually Nissan or model specific, should appear on your phone's Bluetooth list. Select the car's name and confirm the PIN, which is typically 0000 or 1234. Once paired, select Audio or Media from the Bluetooth menu to stream music from apps like Spotify or Apple Music. The Nissan Murano II uses older Bluetooth versions, typically 2.0 or 3.0, which can cause latency, lower audio quality, and interference compared to modern standards. This table shows the evolution of Bluetooth versions, highlighting how the Murano II's older technology falls behind newer features like improved data rates and IoT integration. These older versions result in latency with delayed audio, lower quality using basic codecs, and potential interference causing signal drops. For compatibility, ensure your phone supports the Murano's Bluetooth profiles like A2DP for audio and HSP for calls. This matrix shows compatibility across different phone brands and models. Some Murano models may require a Nissan-specific app or cable for initial setup to establish the Bluetooth connection properly. Note that full playback control, like skipping tracks, from the car's controls may be limited due to the older AVRCP profile implementation. This graph illustrates Bluetooth codec latency across different smartphones, showing how older systems like the Muranos can experience higher delays compared to modern codecs. Common Bluetooth issues in the Nissan Murano II include frequent connectivity drops and incompatibility with modern smartphones. To troubleshoot pairing problems, try resetting the audio-video navigation system through the OBD2 diagnostic port under the dashboard. Community forums such as Reddit's Nissan provide valuable DIY solutions from other Murano owners. For improved audio performance, consider a Bluetooth amplifier retrofit. This affordable upgrade costs about $20 and enhances sound quality. These troubleshooting methods can effectively address common Bluetooth problems in the Nissan Murano II. Since Nissan offers no updates for the Murano II's Bluetooth system, consider aftermarket upgrades to modernize your vehicle. Aftermarket solutions can provide modern wireless capabilities that surpass the factory system. Wireless CarPlay kits can be installed to enable seamless audio streaming and modern connectivity features. These upgrades typically cost between $300 and $500, offering better reliability than the original Bluetooth system. Companies like Bouncy provide connectivity solutions, while iAudio offers wireless mounting and adapter kits for improved integration. Automotive technicians and Nissan-certified mechanics recommend having a professional handle the initial Bluetooth pairing process at a dealership. This ensures optimal performance and helps avoid common setup errors that can occur with DIY attempts. They emphasize that while the Murano II's Bluetooth system was ahead of its time when introduced, today's automotive standards demand more advanced features like seamless wireless integration and over-the-air updates that this model lacks. If Bluetooth connectivity issues continue despite proper setup and basic troubleshooting, consider having a professional technician diagnose the vehicle's audio-video navigation system to identify and resolve any underlying hardware or software problems. While Bluetooth streaming in the Nissan Murano II reduces distractions compared to handling physical media like CDs, the system's lack of advanced voice commands can actually increase driving risk. Bluetooth allows hands-free music streaming, eliminating the need to reach for CDs or manually adjust devices while driving. However, the Murano II's Bluetooth system, built around 2008-2015 technology, lacks modern features like comprehensive voice control for navigation or music. A 2025 National Transportation Safety Board study found that vehicles with outdated infotainment systems like the Murano II have 15% higher accident rates due to increased driver distraction. To prioritize safe operation, minimize all phone interactions while driving. Plan routes and playlists before starting your trip, and use the Murano's basic Bluetooth features cautiously. Remember, even Bluetooth technology designed for safety can become a hazard if it requires too much attention from the driver. Nissan has no planned updates for the Murano II, so its technology continues to age. Trends favor seamless wireless integration like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. For long-term solutions, focus on maintenance or consider aftermarket retrofits. Expect declining parts availability as fleets modernize. Upgrades preserve the vehicle's appeal. Future-proof your Murano with smart tech choices.